All right, when you read the two articles, you're welcome to read the whole thing, but really that's not what I want you to do. What I want you to do is skim the article for important information that will help you fill out the chart. In some ways, if you read the literature review, especially in the accelerated reader, you're going to be misled a little bit about the methodology because they promise some things in the literature review section in critiquing past literature that they don't really fulfill when they actually do their study. So what I recommend in my reading tips is spend some time with the abstract. Try to understand the big picture. And I don't want to make you sick with my scrolling here, but you don't really need to read this. You could skim it a little bit to try to understand some of the terms maybe. Theoretical underpinnings, important if you're doing one of these studies, but not for our purpose here. We're just trying to understand the methodology. Previous research, again, it's not going to inform us about what they actually did in their methodology. Objectives of the present study is where they're going to describe their purpose, and you could probably translate that into a research question. Context for the present study is where they really describe what they're doing. Then Project A is the study that you're actually reading from Accelerated Reader. They did an A and a B, and we're not going to look at B. But I will give you a hint, if you want to look at it, it's highly flawed. All right. Same thing with cooperative learning article. If you read the abstract several times, try to understand the methodology, try to understand the design from the abstract. And then, I should have said this on the other one, what I usually do is skip down to the chart, because I can learn so much just by looking at the column headers and this. I mean, I see right away that there's a pre-test and a post-test. I see that there are 3 different kinds of interventions. I see that they looked at high, middle, and low something. I think I know, because this is a very common design, that these are high, middle, and low achieving students. And I see, how the study came out. I basically get the whole study right from this chart. Then go back and read the methodology, and it will make more sense to you, and you can fill in the template. All right, hoping that this process of reading these 2 articles and comparing them is a good exercise in terms of helping you figure out how to write your research map.